searched how to buy shares of Viridian Therapeutics Inc. to demonstrate the steps. Viridian Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech focused on ophthalmic therapies, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker VRDN. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as the example platform. After signing up, you must verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker VRDN to find the company. Select the matching Viridian Therapeutics Inc. listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing shows Viridian Therapeutics on NASDAQ and the VRDN ticker to ensure it is the right asset. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose any order options available. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.